Hey everybody, it's Robert with Kids Building Wisconsin. Tonight, me and my kids are going to be making pizza. Yep, pizza from the Roman Candle. The Roman Candle has been a big supporter of Kids Building Wisconsin for many years. They are our food seller for Kids Building Wisconsin with their delicious pizza, hot dogs, and many other treats that they sell at each one of our events. So this year, Roman Candle is now selling pizza kits, and they're absolutely amazing. We're going to be making a pizza from the Roman Candle pizza kits tonight and sharing it with you guys. So let's check it out. Okay, you see, here's the pizza kit. Oh, all right, wonderful. So we got 4 things of pizza dough. Wow, okay, we can make 4 pizzas. That's amazing. We got our cheese, our sauce, and tonight the toppings that we selected: pepperoni, sausage, and it comes like this because it's raw sausage, onions, black olives, and green peppers. This is gonna be so much fun. You ready, Robby? Yeah, okay.
That's like the best pizza I've had.
Oh my God, what an amazing time we had. The pizza kit from Roman Candle. Thank you, Brewer Stouffer, for all your support of Kids Building Wisconsin and these amazing pizza kits. Was it good, guys?
It was great.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.